Picture yourself sipping a cool glass of milk, thinking it's doing your body good, only to find out it might be quietly sapping your energy, clouding your thoughts, or even weighing on your heart. The choices we make about something as simple as milk can either lift us up or hold us back as the years roll on. Today, we're diving deep into the truth about the milks in your fridge, the ones to steer clear of, and the ones that can truly nourish your body and spirit. But here's the twist: in just a moment, I'll reveal a little known gem that could ease your morning stiffness and sharpen your mind in ways you never imagined. Stay with me to uncover this game changer that might transform your daily routine. Let's start with a familiar favorite, full-fat cow's milk. It's got that creamy, comforting taste that takes you back to cozy breakfasts, warm cookies, or a splash in your morning tea. For many of us, it's been a lifelong staple, poured without a second thought. But as we age past 60, our bodies change, and this old friend can start causing more harm than good, especially to our hearts. Each cup carries about 4.6 grams of saturated fat, the kind that can build up like rust in your arteries, raising LDL cholesterol, the stuff that clogs blood vessels. Studies from top health researchers, like those at major medical schools, suggest that folks our age who drink this daily might face a 12 to 22% higher chance of heart troubles compared to those who choose lighter options. As our metabolism slows and arteries naturally stiffen with age, this extra fat makes your heart pump harder than it should. You might notice it as feeling out of breath after a short walk to the mailbox, a subtle heaviness in your chest during a busy day, or just being more tired than you'd like. These aren't always just getting older. They could be your body waving a quiet flag for help. Beyond the heart, full-fat milk packs about 150 calories per cup, which can creep up as extra pounds, putting strain on joints like knees and hips. If you've noticed moving around feels heavier or your joints ache more, those extra calories might be part of the puzzle. And here's something many of us deal with as we age: our bodies make less of the enzyme that digests lactose, the natural sugar in dairy. This can lead to uncomfortable bloating, gas, or that sluggish, heavy feeling after a glass. For some, it's mild discomfort. For others, it's a daily battle that saps energy. Instead of clinging to this habit, it's time to consider choices that work with your body, not against it. Let's look at another milk that seems innocent but hides a sweeter trap. Next, let's talk about sweetened condensed milk, that thick, syrupy treat you might drizzle over pancakes, stir into coffee, or use in family recipes passed down through generations. It's the taste of nostalgia, evoking memories of holiday desserts or cozy evenings by the fire. But beneath that sugary comfort lies a sneaky problem, especially for seniors. Just 1 tablespoon packs around 11 grams of sugar, more than a couple of cookies, and let's be real, most of us scoop out more than that. This hits your system like a sugar tidal wave, spiking your blood sugar fast, and then crashing it hard, which overworks the pancreas, the organ that keeps your levels steady. If you're watching your blood sugar, maybe managing pre-diabetes or type 2 diabetes, like many of us, this roller coaster can set the stage for bigger health worries down the line. Research is increasingly clear. Too much sugar doesn't just affect your energy, it's linked to fuzzier thinking, memory lapses, and faster cognitive decline. Some scientists are exploring how chronic sugar stress might contribute to what they call type 3 diabetes, a term tied to Alzheimer's because of how sugar can disrupt insulin in the brain. Ever find yourself forgetting where you parked the car, struggling to recall a friend's name, or feeling mentally foggy more often? These might not just be age creeping in, they could be signs of sugar overload. In your gut, this heavy sweetness slows digestion to a crawl, leading to bloating, gas, or that drained feeling that steals your morning spark. For your heart, excess sugar fuels silent inflammation, stiffening blood vessels and raising harmful blood fats called triglycerides, which can quietly build up trouble. Instead of daily doses, save this for rare treats and lean into nature's sweetness. Think fresh blueberries, sliced apples, or a sprinkle of cinnamon in your tea. But what about a plant-based milk that seems gentle but falls short? Now, let's explore rice milk, often marketed as a soft, dairy-free choice for those of us whose stomachs grumble at regular milk. It's light, slips down easily, and feels like a healthy swap, especially if dairy causes discomfort. But here's the hard truth: rice milk is about as nourishing as drinking sweetened water. Made mostly from rice and water, it offers less than 1 gram of protein per cup, when we need about 0.5 grams per pound of body weight daily to keep muscles strong and prevent falls as we age. Without enough protein, you might notice your arms feeling weaker when lifting groceries or your legs less steady on a walk, raising the risk of stumbles that can change your life in an instant. The bigger worry is something rice naturally pulls from the soil: arsenic, a toxin that concentrates in rice milk. Consumer safety tests show levels often exceed what's considered safe for drinking water, and for seniors sipping this daily, it can slowly build up, stressing kidneys and liver. Aging organs don't clear toxins as well, linking to risks like heart issues, skin problems, or even certain cancers over time. Even though it's plant-based, rice milk's high glycemic index, around 79 to 92, means it spikes blood sugar as fast as a sugary snack, throwing off energy, mood, and focus. Many brands sneak in extra sugar too, with no fiber to slow it down, hitting your gut and blood sugar hard. Instead of this empty choice, turn to whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or millet in your meals for real nourishment that fuels your body right. But there's another pitfall dressed up as healthy that we need to uncover. Beware of flavored plant milks like chocolate almond, vanilla oat, or sweetened coconut. They line store shelves looking wholesome, often boasting added vitamins or natural labels. But flip that label, and you might find 10 to 15 grams of sugar per cup, as much as a soda, plus thickeners, gums, and artificial flavors to keep it shelf stable. For seniors, this sugar load triggers blood sugar swings, leading to tiredness, crankiness, and long-term strain on your pancreas, not to mention weight gain or dental woes. Those additives, like carrageenan or xanthan gum, can irritate your gut, causing ongoing discomfort or inflammation that messes with sleep, mood, and even hormone balance, which hits harder as we age. Some fortified vitamins are synthetic and poorly absorbed by our bodies, making them more marketing than medicine. The fix is simple. Choose plain, unsweetened versions and flavor them yourself with natural touches: a sprinkle of real vanilla extract, crushed raspberries, or a dash of turmeric for warmth. This keeps you in control, ensuring what you sip supports your health, not sabotages it. Now, let's turn to the bright side: milks that truly feed your body and soul with nature's best. First up is fermented soy milk, not the regular kind, but the one naturally soured, like yogurt, to unlock its full potential. This process makes it easier on your stomach and adds friendly bacteria that nurture your gut. Much like eating fermented veggies such as sauerkraut or kimchi, each cup delivers about 7 grams of complete protein, with all the building blocks your muscles need to stay strong, helping you carry shopping bags, climb stairs, or garden with confidence. As we lose muscle naturally after 60, this is a lifeline to stay active and avoid falls that can steal independence. Soy contains natural compounds called isoflavones, which act like gentle supporters in the body, especially for women, helping maintain bone density to prevent fractures. Studies suggest soy can lower bad cholesterol by 5 to 10% and ease blood pressure, lightening the load on your heart. Those probiotics boost immunity, lift mood, and promote deeper sleep by calming digestion. No more waking up with a heavy, bloated feeling. Low in harmful fats, it's heart-friendly and versatile. Try it in smoothies with spinach, over whole grain oats, or warmed in your morning tea. Pair it with fermented foods like pickles or homemade yogurt to amplify its gut-soothing benefits, aligning with a diet rich in whole, living foods. If you're after something lighter, there's a nut-based treasure next. Unsweetened almond milk, the plain, no-sugar version, is a featherweight champion that doesn't skimp on benefits. At just 30 to 40 calories per cup, it won't add extra pounds but still feels satisfying, perfect for keeping your weight steady without feeling deprived. It's packed with monounsaturated fats, the good kind that help clear bad cholesterol, supporting heart health without strain. Research links these fats to a 10 to 15% lower risk of heart disease when replacing heavier fats, making it a smart swap for those watching family history or blood pressure. Its standout nutrient is vitamin E, a powerful protector against cell damage, tied to slower brain aging and sharper thinking. Studies suggest adequate vitamin E can reduce memory issue risks by up to 20%, keeping your mind clear for conversations, hobbies, or planning your day. For sensitive stomachs, it's a dream: no lactose, easy to digest, and soothing in cereal, coffee, or smoothies with leafy greens like kale for added antioxidants. Pair it with seeds like chia or pumpkin in meals to boost its heart and brain benefits. Rooting your diet in nature's nutrient-dense gifts. If bones are your focus, the next choice builds them strong. Calcium-fortified oat milk brings a cozy, mildly sweet taste that feels like wrapping up in a warm blanket. Its beta-glucan fiber, about 2 grams per cup, acts like a sponge, grabbing excess cholesterol in your gut and flushing it out, keeping arteries clear and blood pressure steady. Studies show this fiber can lower bad cholesterol by 5 to 10%, easing heart strain and reducing reliance on medications. Fortified with calcium around 300 mg per cup and vitamin D, it strengthens bones to fight thinning, crucial as we lose density after 60. Research confirms this combo can cut osteoporosis risk by up to 25%, helping prevent fractures that can steal your independence. Lactose-free and gentle, its fiber promotes regular digestion, easing common complaints like constipation that many of us face but rarely talk about. Warm it before bed. Oats' natural compounds, like precursors to melatonin, may relax your nervous system for deeper, more restful sleep, like a soothing evening ritual. Use it in porridges, smoothies, or with fruits like bananas for extra vitamins, aligning with a diet rich in whole grains and fresh produce. For joints and inflammation, the final pick is a true revelation. Flax milk, made from tiny flax seeds, is a hidden gem packed with plant omega-3s called ALA, about 200 mg per cup. These are nature's anti-inflammatory warriors, easing joint aches, stiffness, and arthritis pain that make mornings tough or limit your walks. Studies show omega-3s can lower inflammation markers by 10 to 15%, improve mood, and protect brain function, potentially cutting dementia risks by supporting healthy cell repair. For the heart, they reduce attack risks by promoting smoother blood flow and lowering harmful blood fats. Low-calorie, cholesterol-free, and often fortified with calcium, vitamin D, and B12, it fuels bones, energy, and nerve health. Easy to digest, it's perfect for sensitive stomachs, leaving no heaviness or discomfort. Blend it with berries, ginger, or turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost, or pour over whole grain cereal for a nutrient-packed start. Pair it with anti-inflammatory foods like walnuts, leafy greens, or fresh herbs in your meals to amplify its power, rooting your diet in nature's healing bounty. Let's bring it all together, dear friends. As we embrace our golden years, every choice we make matters more than ever, even something as simple as the milk in your glass. Full, fat cow's milk, sweetened condensed, rice, and flavored plant milks can quietly drain your vitality, from heart strain to energy dips, foggy thoughts, and achy joints. But the good news is you have options that lift you up. See fermented soy milk for muscle strength and gut harmony, unsweetened almond milk for heart health and clear thinking, calcium fortified oat milk for sturdy bones and restful nights, and flax milk for soothing inflammation and vibrant cells. These align with a diet rich in whole, living foods. Think fermented veggies like sauerkraut, whole grains like quinoa, seeds like chia, and fresh fruits like berries. Start small tomorrow morning. Swap one old habit for a new one. Try warm oat milk before bed to sleep better, or flax milk in a smoothie for joint ease. Your body will thank you with stronger steps, brighter days, and deeper rest. Which one will you try first to spark your vitality? Share below with the word "thrive." If this has opened your eyes, give a thumbs up, share with a loved one who could use this wisdom, and subscribe for more tips to live your best years with nature's gifts. Aging doesn't mean slowing down, it means choosing smarter, one nourishing sip at a time.